What's up, you guys? Raymond over here at Signature Performance Tire and Wheel. Got ourselves another beautiful build here. 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500. We did a 4-inch McGaughys lift kit on this guy. Let you guys know exactly what we did here to achieve this look. Let's start off with the wheel and tires. We got these 18x9 foundation custom colored gold wheels. Has a black ring as well on it to give it that contrast. The offset on these guys are a plus 19 to accommodate these 37s here. And the customer was really looking for ride quality, and we still wanted to achieve that. So we actually ended up wrapping these guys in some Toyo Open Country RT trails. The blocks are not as big, still gives it that rugged look, as you can see there. Looks really good and complements the truck really well. So now for the fun part, let's get into the McGaughys kit here. So the customer opted in to do a 4-inch McGaughys kit here, paired up with some nice upper control arms, plated with a nice McGaughys badge there. He also opted in to do the M84 shocks. Very clean looking shock, paired those front and the rear. And then another thing here that we did that's kind of separates us from most here is that on these factory trucks, the CV shafts, the steering rods, they come pretty rusted. So we actually took the extra step to actually get those painted all black to complement the truck, especially with the kit that we ended up doing on this guy. Customer was really happy, and we couldn't be more happy with how the results came out. So that was just something that we wanted to do for the customer. Now we're done with the front end here. On the rear end, we actually ended up doing a 1 3/4 inch block on that guy with some longer U-bolts. One, because the front of the truck sits exactly at 4 inches. So we wanted to make sure that the customer didn't have that pre-runner look. So we wanted to bring that rear end up to level the truck out completely. And also we just didn't want the truck to have, still have that factory rake, right? So we were really trying to achieve a level look here for the customer, and he was really stoked about it. We are at least 30 minutes out from Knott's Berry Farm, 20 minutes out from Disneyland, 10 to 15 minutes out from the beach. If you and your family are in the area, you guys are traveling, and you guys have a truck that you want us to build for you, we definitely want to have that opportunity to do that for you while you still get to go out, hang out with your family. This is just another beautiful build that we wanted to share with you guys. If you're looking to get a build done here and you want to make sure you get taken care of, you can reach out to myself, Raymond, Daniel, Jason, Jacob, or even Jimmy. Any one of us are going to be more than happy to get you taken care of and help you with your next build. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.